The monster under your bed wants to be your friend. At first you might think it's a dream, but then you feel something wet and cold, and when you open your eyes, you see a big, ugly monster with sharp teeth and claws. It's the monster that's been living under your bed for as long as you can remember, and it's finally decided that it wants to be your friend, but there's a problem. You're not really sure if you want to be friends with a monster, especially one that lives under your bed and has access to your deepest fears. But the monster insists, and it's so persistent that you eventually agree to let it be your friend. And from that day on, the monster under your bed becomes your best friend. It protects you from harm and helps you with your homework, but it also brings you presents, and those presents are always the same: a dead animal, a bloody meat cleaver, or a human finger. The monster just brings you these things because it wants to share its love with you, and as gross as they are, you can't help but feel loved by this monster.